Good morning. I've been trying to film this intro like 5 times now. I am going to my friend's house and we're gonna go on a hike. It'll be our first real hike, I guess, of 2020. So we're gonna go venture off and explore this different area and see how it is. I'm doing this on a Snapchat because my camera on my phone is being stupid for some reason. So I don't even know if this intro is gonna work. Anyways, guys. Alright, we made it.
Finally, but we made it.
We got lost, and then me and Heather, we both get irritated, and then we're like, do you want me to park? We made it, and we are on the Ellis Cove trailhead. And so far, it's breezy. We just started the stairs, and Heather forgot her water. She didn't bring anything with her, but it's not gonna be like our other hikes, so I think we should be okay. She did it. So she's got a bad knee, and her left hip hurts. And yesterday I told her, do you not want to go because you hurt? And she's like, I want to go. And we get here and she's like, ugh, I forgot my beanie. It's cold. It's muddy. Yay, switchbacks. I don't know why I'm excited for that. Hey.
I'm getting worse.
What's the matter? What's wrong?
And the hikes get worse. It's not hard. My heights, I don't know. I want to hug a pole.
She's conquering her fear more and more. But this isn't as nearly as bad as the other two. So far, steep switchbacks. All the tide's out, huh? Where's all the water? That's okay. Here's a cute bridge. Oh, it looks like it keeps going and going.
It looks like, I don't even know what they're called.
Lily pads? No.
What's a lily pad? They look like ginormous maple leaves.
It's like a bug's life when we're under it, at DCA.
To the water.
We found a water hole. It's muddy. She ain't about that mud life today. Alright. Oh yeah, there's a little walkway right here. So this trail has multiple trails that branch off. They're not marked. So gotta look at the maps. Oh, how do we get down there?
Is it worth it going down?
It just goes to this little right here. It's pretty. So pretty. I don't know the name of this one, but if you do this trail, just be on the lookout for multiple trails that branch off and look at your maps and just, yeah. So Heather has managed to step in dog shit and zip up her hair.
Walked in a spider web or two.
Walked in a spider web.
Forgot water.
She forgot her water. She forgot her... What else did you forget today?
Talking weird.
Oh, you didn't bring your wallet?
No, but I have my ID on.
Okay. So then we left our first destination, and I said, do you want to go to another one? And this is less than a mile, but stairs. So It's just a little nature walk. She's trying to wipe off her dog poop. Poor thing. We stumbled upon fairies. They have little blocks. Cute. What is this? Fairies. Welcome. Oh my goodness. We should put Tinkerbell in here. Oh, there's a little bedroom. It has like a little dresser. How cute.
I'm gonna take a snippet of a video. Show
you. It's so like leafy.
I know. It's like we're in the middle of something.
Sorry, I forgot to end the vlog, but thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. Have a good day. Bye!